15 psychological facts about love that will blow your mind. Have you ever wondered how you could improve the quality of your love life? Are you aware of the psychological factors behind love that can change your love life drastically? When two people are together, they both get to see the strengths and weaknesses of each other, the good sides and the sides that are not easy to deal with. In this video, we are going to show you 15 psychological facts about love that will blow your mind. Knowing these psychological facts can help you understand love better. Watch the video till the end to learn these 15 amazing and interesting psychological facts about love that will make your jaw drop. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. And comment down below, I subscribed, and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 15. Women's tears turn men off. According to a study conducted by Noam Sobel, a cognitive neuroscientist at the Weizmann Institute of Science in Rehovot, it is proven that tears shed by women tend to contain chemical signals that can lower testosterone levels and arousal in men. So if you are a woman and you tend to shed a lot of tears around your man, maybe it's high time you consider doing that a little less. On the other hand, if you are a man, maybe try to make your woman laugh a lot more. Now laughing brings us to our next point. Number 14. 10 minutes of laughter a day strengthens your bond. Couples who spend their time laughing together are more likely to share a stronger bond. Laura Kurtz, a social psychologist from the University of North Carolina, states, in general, couples who laugh more together tend to have higher quality relationships. We can refer to shared laughter as an indicator of greater relationship quality. Her sayings are backed by experiments and many other studies. So, what are you waiting for? Make sure to spend quality time with your loved ones by watching comedies and testing your humor. Number 13. The intimacy orientation. Women tend to orient their postures towards the other person when face-to-face communicating. They feel more loved and appreciated while interacting with their partner, looking at them and maintaining eye contact. American sociolinguist Deborah Tannen suggests that women show more immediacy traits than men. On the contrary, men are presumed to seek intimacy through side-by-side shoulder orientation, which is suggested by sociologist Harry Broad. They feel more emotionally connected by working, playing, or doing things together while sitting side by side. So, why don't you try both the postures from time to time to spark the chemistry? Number 12. Romantic love or attachment love. After a year of togetherness, romantic love should start to settle into attachment love. Through different relationships, we experience different kinds of love throughout our lives. But did you know that you can experience love in many different ways in a single relationship? When you fall in love, it's more about the newness and the nerves. That's what we call romantic love. In romantic love, you feel this urge to win the other person. It's driven by chemical reactions and it's built on surface-level compatibility. Attachment love, on the other hand, is a love that's built on shared comfort, trust, and a sense of belonging. It's the love that you are looking for. In this kind of love, your partner is your best friend who gives you lots of acceptance and comfort. Number 11. Women with a full stomach respond more to romantic stimuli. Women tend to show more interest in romance when they are full. This information was found through a study conducted by a small new brain scan study that was published in the journal Appetite. Tracy Mann, a professor in the Department of Psychology at the University of Minnesota and a dieting researcher, supported these results. So make sure to keep your stomach full, ladies. And for guys, the next time you see your date in a bad mood, maybe consider giving her a little treat. Number 10. Love at first whiff. Everyone talks about love at first sight, but no one talks about love at first whiff. You heard that right, and we might be attracted to people more because of their sense and less because of their looks. It's a trait that we don't realize consciously, but it's something that's wired in our system subconsciously. Pheromones and MHC, these two genes in our immune system, work like compasses to find out who's compatible with us. Number 9. The frustration attraction. When someone dumps you or you feel rejected, it might lead to frustration and attraction. Being unable to accept the rejection and not being loved back can make you pursue the person even more, to the point where you end up doing things that are impulsive and self-destructive. It's important to stay mindful and careful so that you don't get too carried away causing only pain to yourself. Number 8. Holding hands reduces stress. Holding the hand of your loved one can lower your stress level. This happens because it gives you a sense of comfort and you feel a connection. It's in our nature to feel good when we feel connected to others, especially our loved ones. Another strong reason behind the low level of stress is having low levels of cortisol. Studies have suggested that having the support of a loved one can lower our cortisol level. Hence, it makes us feel relieved and comforted. Number 7. Oxytocin creates strong connections. Oxytocin is likely to be released through the touch of a loved one, listening to calming music, or even through some physical exercises. Some of oxytocin's possible relationship-strengthening effects are trust, empathy, fidelity, positive communication, and the processing of bonding cues. So if you build up the habit of doing shared activities with your loved ones that release oxytocin, then it helps your love grow. Number 6. Parental link found in attraction. According to psychologists, men are drawn to women who look like their mothers, while women are taken by men who resemble their fathers. In a study published, psychologists measured people's faces and compared them with their partner's parents and strangers. They found men were more likely to pair up with women whose bone structure was similar to their own mothers, with a similar effect holding for women's choice of men. The findings offer fresh evidence for what psychologists call sexual imprinting, where the kinds of faces we find appealing as adults are set, if not rigidly, in early childhood. Number 5. 23% of online dating leads to marriage. People are meeting their long-term partners through online dating. According to the Pew Research Center, 23% of couples that meet online end up getting married. 59% of internet users all over the world think that online dating is a great way to encounter new people. In 2005, 66% of people using online dating apps went on real dates with the people they met online. Number 4. The broken heart syndrome. A person might die shortly after the death of a partner or loved one. Felix Elwert, Associate Professor of Sociology at the University of Wisconsin-Madison, states, broken heart syndrome is a social condition that shows if your wife or husband dies, your mortality goes up and stays elevated for years. So you can almost catch death from your spouse. It's not a coincidence, it's an effect. Number 3. Hugs that last 20 seconds make you trust someone more. When you hug someone, it creates oxytocin, dopamine, and serotonin production in the body. While oxytocin makes you feel calmer and more relaxed, dopamine is part of the brain's reward mechanism. Serotonin, on the other hand, elevates the mood and does the balancing. Hugging can heal, comfort, and give the essence of a deep connection. When you hug someone for 20 seconds, that helps build trust even more. Number 2. Brain scans indicate whether or not the relationship will last. People in their early stages of love had their brains scanned by researchers for a study conducted in 2011 in the journal named Human Brain Mapping. The results of the brain scans showed signs of love in all of the cases. But in some of the cases, activities in the reward and motivation centers were noticed. It was predicted that this group of people would stay together for a longer period of time. After 18 months, most of these couples were found to be still with the same partner, happy in love. Number 1. The vein of love. Did you ever wonder why the wedding ring is worn on the fourth finger? Well, many people from different cultures believe in different theories. The Roman theory builds a direct connection with love. The Romans believe that we have a vein in the fourth finger of our left hand that directly runs to our heart. This vein is called the vena amoris. As the heart is the symbol of love, the wedding ring is worn on the fourth finger. That's why most cultures, if not all cultures, wear the wedding ring on the fourth finger. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.